Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I want to show this 5-piece kitchen set that I found on Amazon. This was around $25, maybe $30, and it had a, like a 10 or 20% off coupon. But this set comes with, each one of these is an individual piece, right? So you can configure your kitchen however you want it. And this one is white, light pink, and a hot pink, which, no ma'am, not in my house. So I'm going to take the pieces out and show you. And all of the things that you see here, all of these pieces come with it. So I've pulled them out and I'll show them to you. So let me move this box and pull these pieces out and we'll take a quick look. So I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is probably going to be, I know it's going to be a little awkward to film. I don't have a really tall stand for the iPhone that I film on. So we're just going to have to try to make this work. So here's the first piece, and as you see, this is a stove. The little knobs turn. I believe that these burners work, but you have to put batteries in it. Yeah, or it has a battery in it. You just have to pull the tab, but I'm not going to do that right now. But the drawer comes, it opens, like the broiler on your oven, and the oven door opens, and it has two little racks in there. You can see there's a turkey and a pizza baking, and then it has in the hood, this piece opens above the range hood, and they have, looks like, some seasonings in there and some yogurt and milk. I don't understand, because I would think that this would be like a bread basket. And then at the very top there are these cabinets, and you can see they're using it as a pantry. So that is the first piece, and I'm showing these in the order that they're on in the box. So next we have the dishwasher, and its buttons work, and I believe this also, nope, this one doesn't take batteries, but this door, the dishwasher opens. It has a little basket to put the dishes in, and then above it is their microwave, and I guess they really like their turkey because there's another turkey in there. And then it too has doors above it. And this set is the perfect scale, 1/6 scale for Barbies. Absolutely perfect. So if you've been looking at it, definitely jump on it, especially if you can find it with a percentage off or a coupon or something. So here's the next part. Here's the sink. It is a double sink, and this turns to go on either side of the sink, and it has some utensils here, and I haven't released those, and then a sticker with some spices on it there. And then under the sink is cabinet, and they have their dishes in there. And so I don't know who puts dishes under the sink. Isn't that where your cleaning products go? And then in the top, there are these pretty doors, quote unquote glass doors. So this little set has plenty of storage. And now I love my Miniverse kitchen, and I will keep my little Miniverse kitchen set up the way it is. But this is going to go either in my dollhouse or used, you know, it'll be in the dollhouse, but I will use it in dioramas too. So here is the next piece. This is like a wine rack, and you can see hanging in there the two like martini glasses in here. I haven't taken them out, I left them. There's the door here, and then the double door down here. I really like that it has the shelf, but it doesn't divide, so it gives you, you know, that little extra space. I love the wine rack part on it right there. I love that. And then here is the refrigerator and the freezer. And the refrigerator has the cabinets at the top. See how that has that spacer right there? That's what I was talking about. How the other one went straight across and didn't have that separation. And here is the inside of the refrigerator. Plenty of space. All of your Miniverse will fit in here. Like it has like an ice dispenser and water dispenser here. And then it has the drawer. So this came with tons of pieces to it. So it came with the toaster, with the toast, and it came with milk and 2 coffee cups and saucers. Looks like a watermelon juice or soda and an orange juice. And then that is a lemonade and then a cherry soda. So it came with those. And it came with this glass with the ice. You can see the ice on the sides. That's cute. But of course we have tons of Miniverse ice. So then it came with these drinks. And turn them just so we can, okay. So there is a orange juice, a kiwi juice, a milk, another milk, a soda, and a lemonade. So it came with those. And I haven't taken them out of their packages because I don't want to lose them. And then it came with this really cute silver tea set. So it's got like the salt and pepper shakers and the creamer bowls and the sugar bowl. It's a really cute little set. And then came with the pot, the frying pan, the lid, and a spatula and a like soup spoon, serving spoon. And then it came with these 2 pots and lids and 2 silver plates. No, wait, I'm sorry, there's 4 plates in there. There's 4. And then what is this? So this looks like some tea bags and some ice cream. I doubt there's anything in these. I don't even think that they open, which is, nope, that's good for me, it's fine. And they really like their lemonade, because here's another picture of lemonade. And 2 little fancy glasses. And then, let's see. There's a fruit juice, another orange juice, and a fruit squeezy something. This thing, I don't know what it is. So there's those. So they do give you, you know, some little accessories, you know, to accent your little kitchen to get you going, which is really cute. But let me show you the colors that I have selected to repaint my kitchen. So for the overall body, like for, let me just put this in. So for the overall body, where it's white, I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum satin, and this is in Blossom White. So it's a white, but it's almost not quite an eggshell, you know, but it's just flat, as to where this is really shiny and just really plastic, fake looking. So I'm going to use that everywhere where you see white, and then everywhere where you see pink, even if it's the hot pink or the light pink, like this, okay, the hot pink and the light pink, I am going to use this Rust-Oleum. This is the satin eucalyptus. It's a beautiful color. So everything that's currently pink will be this green. And then all of the little handles and the knobs, and I think I'm gonna do the sink too, but all of that is gonna be done in the metallic gold, so shiny gold. And since I'll be using the gold for my accents, I will probably also do these pieces in gold as well, just so that they match. I'm not sure. I might do like maybe the plates in green. I haven't decided, but the toaster, it can be green. And if you get this set, all you have to do is remove the stickers, right? If you do it gently and you use like a pair of fine tweezers, or if you use that product called Undo that removes adhesive, but if you do this easily, you can probably salvage your stickers if you wanted to reapply them. I won't redo it. And then like in here, like you see how that piece is just a paperboard, right? It just slides under those. You can take this and recover it, right? Or you can put it back in the opposite way so that you just see the white when you open your cabinets. But if you wanted to put, you know, like a pretty, like a scrapbook paper in here to make it look like a shelf liner, or, you know, if you wanted to put it back here to make that a pretty background to match the colors of your kitchen, however you want to do it, there's so many options. So I hope that you enjoy this. Like I said, I will still be using my Miniverse kitchen. I love it. I love it just in the background, even though I don't technically use it. You know, I think I've used it one time, but anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions for this, please let me know. I will try to remember to put a link for this one in my description box if you want to check it out. But again, thank you all so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.